Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can make logo in circle shapes in Canva. So I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So first we need to go and create here. Here you can go to the here in search bar and go for type for logos. Here you can see some logos design, and here we can see the size of this logo canvas. So you can take anyone. I just take this. Okay, so now we go to the elements and search for shapes here. Go to the shapes option, go to the see all, that choose the circle shapes, click on it and just keep at the corner and just hit the alt button on your keyboard, hold it and drag and make it maximize size. Just make it to fit shapes like this. Okay, and now go to the color and choose no color. Go to the border and increase that border stroke width. Okay, from here you can change that color of border like this. Okay, now here you can add the any elements like graphics and something. Okay, here you can search for your graphics. If you want to search for fruits, here we have the fruits. Okay, you can put on it into it, and if you want more elements or graphics like this, select that graphics, go to the three dot option and go to the see more like this. Here you can see the more graphics options you can put into it. Okay, you can also add that text. Okay, okay, here and if you want this double round, just select your shapes, copy it, paste again and minimize, just minimize the size like this and just place like this. Okay, you can see the double circle, you can see. Okay, so now you can put anything here, and now you can just select the all elements and just group it. Now you can maximize the size of this logo like this and just download as a printable or png, printable pdf. If you want to print, you can go to the pdf printable, download it and then you can print, or you can go for png. If you want to use web views, download it. Okay, and if you want, if you have your own logo, okay, and if you want to put in your circle shapes, so there is another options. Go to the shapes, sorry, go to the elements here and search for frames. Okay, select the frames, see all, select your that circles frames. Okay, now you can upload your existing your logo from here, just upload it. Okay, once you upload, you can see your logo here. So we have some. Okay, I just choose this one and just put this logo on this shapes. Now just double click on it. Okay, you can manage your the part which you want to use into these shapes or circle shapes. Yeah, then done. Then again select the shapes, go to the stroke and you can increase the stroke width. Okay, so here we have created that logo. Okay, if you want to delete, just right click on it, go to detach image and just delete that image. I just search logo for you. Okay, don't have. Okay, so we have some logos. So I just put into it. Okay, you need to put as a photos. Okay, so graphics doesn't work. Let me detach it, delete it. If I put the graphics, okay, it, it is not working. So there is a one method. You can add the more page. Just enable this pages option, add the more page, add your graphics logo if you want to use it. Just maximize the size. Okay, just keep at the middle, go to the share, go to the see all, and just copy the clipboard. Once it's copy, okay, copy. Now go to the my that frame shapes and just paste here that design. Okay, now you can remove the background. You can resize these shapes, sorry, graphics logo. Now you can put into that frame. Okay, double click on it and just adjust the size. Okay, so this is a round logo. If you have the existing logo, you can put into the circle shapes frame, so you can look like a round logo. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.